Hey guys, today I've got a front load electric dryer. It's Maytag brand, and I'm going to show you as if you were standing here testing it out yourself that everything works perfect on it. So we're going to go ahead and just do time dry, high heat, show you it's got a nice full load of jeans in there, and we push this knob here to go. See, it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Got my little surface temperature gun here. Whatever I shine that on, those two little red dots, it's going to measure the temperature in between them. So I'm going to show you by opening this, and we're going to shoot this little laser right inside the heating element tube, so you can see plenty of heat coming out there. You can get a picture there. There we go. Plenty of heat coming out. The inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 to 195, just depends on what you have these settings set at here. And there's plenty of options, as you can see. I'll have a picture of that in the posting. That's pretty much going to do it there. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day. Thanks.